Hey, what's up guys? My name is Brandon and this is Style So Dapper. Now I got a little bit of a different shot this time, but it's time for another BirchBox unboxing. This video is going to be pretty short and simple just because I just got the box and I want to throw it up real fast on the YouTube. But if you don't know what BirchBox is, it's 10 bucks a month, and every month you get samples of men's toiletries like face creams, face moisturizers, face lotion, beard oils, men's body soap, just mainly essentials, lotions and things like that, and cologne too. And some of the name brands are pretty big, but you know, you kind of get a card like this. I don't know if you guys can see that. And the way it works is they send you little samples and things like this, and if it's something that you like, you can go to the website and you can buy the full size of that particular product that's in the box. So for instance, this clean, which is cologne, I'm assuming, this stuff right here, a full-size bottle will go for 60 bucks, which isn't that bad for cologne. But you know, that's it. You know, you get this whole little box every month for 10 bucks. That's not a bad price. And you get, you know, usually 4 to 5 items. And it's usually random stuff. Sometimes you'll get like a loofah or I mean, that's actually it. It's usually men's products. But I'll show you guys the unboxing and we'll check that out right now. Alright guys, so that's the unboxing. Like I said, short and simple. Again, if you like this video, definitely subscribe and like this video. Hit that thumbs up and share my videos, guys. Don't be scared. Show all your friends this video and all my other ones. If you're interested in the other BirchBoxes I do in the previous months, I'll leave the link right up here to the playlist. But yeah guys, that's it. Short and simple, kind of a raw cut. I just do it up on the internet real quick so you guys can watch it. And hey, thanks for watching.